Hey guys, I'm Hiva, the founder of Flush Packaging, and today we're going to assemble the Candle Science straight-sided tumbler 3-pack shipper. It's an example of how to fold all of our Econo Style 3-pack boxes. So first off, I'll grab the box, lay it down flat, and check for any stray pieces that need to be stripped. So like these little guys here, just toss those to the side. And first thing I'll do after that is start folding basically every fold of the box completely. So you want to kind of fold everything 180 degrees. And what this does is really help fold the box so you're not kind of fighting the box when you're folding it or assembling it. So just take your time doing that, and the rest of the box will fold pretty easily. Okay, now that you have all the creases pre-folded, what you want to do is grab these flaps here on both sides. And what I like to do is just kind of grab them at the same time. And then you basically fold them in and up to create the bottom of the box there, if you can see that. Now, the trickiest part is while holding it like this, I'll use my spare fingers to fold in these side flaps and then put the box on its back, and basically you just kind of push them towards the back of the box like that. So now you basically have the construction there, and then starting on one side you fold down each flap until you kind of hear that lock. It's going to lock in securely each time if you folded it right. So it's going to be like that. Box is pretty much almost assembled, so what I'll do is fold the top panel away, kind of create space to fold the insert. So you want to fold these wings in towards the box and then start folding the insert down. And using care to fold down the insert, you want to make sure the tabs are locked in place like that. And you can I kind of run my fingers back and forth to make sure that they're totally seated in there. And now you have the box assembled. So depending on how many containers you want to ship, you can start punching out your holes. And again, scrap pieces, just toss those aside. And there you have it. That's basically the straight-sided tumbler 3-pack shipper. And that's it.